In today's video, I will walk you through how to draw a trend line in Metatrader 5. The first thing you need to do is open Metatrader 5 on your computer. Once the platform loads, open the chart you want to work with. In this example, the chart being used is the euro against the US dollar, but you can use whichever chart you would like to draw on. After your chart is open, move your attention to the top left corner of the Metatrader 5 window. This is where you'll find the drawing tools. Look for the small drawing tool icon near the top of the platform and click on it. This is the tool you'll use to create your trend line. Once you've selected the trend line tool, move your cursor onto the chart, go to the exact point where you want your trend line to begin. When you found the starting point, click and hold your left mouse button. While continuing to hold the mouse button, drag your cursor across the chart toward the point where you want the trend line to end. As you drag, you'll see the line following your cursor across the chart. Continue moving it until it reaches the position you want. When you're satisfied with the placement, simply release the mouse button. As soon as you let go, the trend line will be placed on your chart. If the line isn't exactly where you wanted it, you can repeat the same process by selecting the trend line tool again, choosing a new starting point, clicking and holding, dragging to the ending point, and releasing the mouse button when you're happy with the position. The process is the same every time you want to add another trend line. Open your chart, select the trend line tool from the top left area of the platform, click and hold where you want the line to begin, drag it across the chart, and release the mouse button to place it. That's all there is to it. You have successfully drawn a trend line in Metatrader 5. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and thank you for watching.